If you're planning to sell your home and you're worried about competing with other listings, let me clear something up right now. Standing out in a competitive market isn't about hoping the right buyer shows up. It's about removing friction, creating certainty, and giving buyers fewer reasons to say no. That's what I focus on every day here in the Greater Salt Lake area. And it's exactly how I help sellers win the Utah Dave way. Most sellers think competition means pricing lower or doing more marketing. That's not the real issue. The real problem is this: buyers are nervous, sellers are nervous, and uncertainty kills momentum. So the homes that stand out aren't always the prettiest ones. They're the ones that feel easy, safe, and well thought out to buy. Let me walk you through exactly how we do that. In a competitive market, buyers mentally eliminate homes fast. Outdated paint, worn flooring, minor repairs, those things don't just affect value, they affect emotion. But here's the catch: not every seller wants or can pay upfront to fix things. That's why I use a fix and list strategy. We identify the few updates that actually matter, get them done before listing, and you pay for it out of closing, not out of pocket. This isn't about over-improving. It's about removing buyer hesitation so your home rises to the top immediately. Standing out doesn't mean underpricing. It means pricing with intent. Most homes that sit don't sit because they're overpriced by a little. They're sitting because they're positioned wrong from day one. I look at buyer behavior, not just comparables. How your home compares emotionally, not just on paper, and how to create urgency instead of resistance. The goal is to attract strong buyers quickly and let competition work for you, not against you. This is where most agents stop and where I go further. Many of my clients have lived in their homes for 5+ years. They have equity, but they're stuck. They want to move up, downsize, or relocate, but they're afraid to sell. That's why I offer buy ours and I'll buy yours. If you buy one of my listings, I'll guarantee the sale of your current home. That single solution removes hesitation, unlocks confidence, and allows sellers to move forward when others are frozen. That's how you stand out, not just with a sign, but with a plan. In competitive markets, terms matter just as much as price. Cash offers, loan assumptions, helping buyers secure better rates. When buyers can afford more comfortably, your home becomes more attractive, even if it's similar to others. That's part of creating a smoother, faster path to closing. Standing out isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things in the right order. If you're considering selling and want a clear, practical strategy, whether you need to fix the home, line up your next purchase, or remove uncertainty altogether, I'd love to help. Reach out today and let's talk about selling your home the Utah Dave way. Thanks for watching, and if you find these videos helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video.